Oh man, today is such a nice and peaceful sunny day once again.
Of course it is. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and not a single disaster is occurring at this time.
Now that is a perfect example of great weather right there. Despite the fact that those disasters are always caused by Toad and his crew of troublemakers.
But that doesn't matter for us, cause they always learn their lessons one way or another, and we always get through with them. So if we still stick together, we'll sure be unstoppable from those 9.
You sure got a point there, baby. Nothing will truly get in our way for sure, and with our amazing talents and skills, we're just a huge powerful family. Besides, what could be better than this?
Hey there, Unikitty. What are you up to today?
Oh, me? I was just trying out my ballet dancing to see if I have gotten any better with it.
Well, it looks like you have gotten a lot better with your ballet skills there, sis.
Your brother is right. Unikitty, you are such a great ballet dancer we have seen, alongside Hank and Goldie.
I bet you might do amazingly well if I put on another Fishy Friends talent show in the future.
Ah, that was so nice of you guys to say to me. I am just truly more than just a princess. I'm a superstar kitty. But the thing is that, my dance is likely missing one little thing.
Maybe your dance just needs a song.
That actually is what I was missing there, Hank. Let's all create a song to go with my dance.
Gladly. We actually come prepared in case we're gonna write a song. Hit it, you guys.
I am a kitty, full of talent and happiness.
You always make us all smile.
And knows how to stay positive.
That's why I am very talented and full of surprises.
You help out to save your kingdom from state of ruins.
You always help out your friends from danger.
And when it comes to daring, adventure,
You are always brave.
You have no fears at all.
And you always, never, ever give up.
This is why I am very talented.
With a great heart.
And a huge, positive attitude.
You're always a brave kitty.
Oh.
there is always a smile on your face.
Oh.
And you know how to
do anything you wanna do every day.
'Cause my name is Princess Unikitty, who thinks positive.
Bravo. Bravo. That was great singing we did, guys.
And that was some great dancing you did there, Unikitty.
Thanks for that, you guys. Wow. My dancing is really improving.
Say fishies, since today is such a nice sunny day, wanna head over to the local park?
Great idea, Chucks. Today is such a beautiful day to spend it at the park. Let's get flowing and have a great time together.
Ah, what a very nice and peaceful place to be for today.
It sure does, Hank, old buddy. Now what should we all do since we're now here at the park at last?
I was thinking we can play hide and seek, then maybe a game of freeze tag, and then...
Hold it, Fissies. I noticed something on that tree nearby.
It looks like a poster. I will read it out loud to see what it is about. Do you have a talent you're very good at? Then enter Plush Star City's annual talent show, happening at our local park. Present your greatest talents on stage to the entire crowd. Your talent might be listed as the greatest talents in history. All the people that participate will receive a reward for their amazing hard work. See you there. Cool. The park is having a talent show, and they're looking for people that has the best talents ever.
And the best part is that all of the participants will be rewarded for the amazing effort they put into. One of us has got to enter the talent show to show off the great skills we all got.
And I bet I know which one of us should sign up. My sister. She is great at ballet, and I bet her skills will totally shock the crowd.
Of course. Unikitty will do amazingly well in the show. What about it, Unikitty? Wanna give it a go?
Well, since I am great at my ballet dancing, and I also got incredible talents, I will surely sign up for the talent show. I bet everyone is gonna be impressed with my amazing dancing skills.
Like that is ever gonna happen. I highly doubt you will do great at this pointless talent show.
Lily, what do you mean by that?
Of course she is going to do great in the show. Don't you have any faith in her?
No way. How many times do I have to say this? But your unicorn cat has no talent and she is by far a very bad dancer.
Listen here, young lady. If you're gonna insult my sister like that, I highly suggest you leave us alone before you know what's gonna happen.
Fine. I will go and leave you losers alone. But don't say I didn't warn you at all. Bruh.
I have no idea why that girl keeps telling me on how awful I am at ballet. I am not awful, I am great at it.
Don't listen to that troublemaker, Unikitty. It doesn't matter on how good or bad you are. The most important thing is that you are following your dreams and to be yourself.
I guess you guys are right. I think I am ready to sign up for the talent show.
That's the spirit, Unikitty. And I got that under control. There. Your name is now on the list. You're all set.
Oh boy. I am so excited, I might do some flying for joy later. I just need some practice in order to prepare for the big day.
You're also gonna need a special outfit so you can look your very best on stage.
In which we got all of that covered. We'll get Richard to order a special ballet costume for you to wear for the talent show. But first, let's get to playing at the park in the meantime.
Then we'll head back to your castle and we'll get to ordering the outfit for Unikitty, in which we hope she does well.